Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, the 5th of June 2015, in London, this is John Faraklas from allaboutShipping.co.uk with a briefing about the markets, the indexes, and the world geopolitics up affecting sale. The BDI closed up 7 points at 610 earlier on, which is 21 points up since last week's 589. The CAPES and the respective BCI index was also up 47 points at 865, which is 55 points up since last week's 810. The volatility at its best. The Panamax, our favorite size, was up 26 points at 596, and overall 72 points since last week's 524. The Supramax plus 2 points at 656, which is up also on the other hand 9 points since last week's 647. And finally, the last of the dry index, the handy ones, the BSHI, was up overall since last week 1 point at 332 from 331, but it was today minus 1 point since yesterday. So not bad. We are having sort of a steady and upwards, if you like it, dry market. On the wets now, different stories. The DTI, the dirties, were up 4 points at 863. And overall, it was up 2 points since last week's 865. That's a minus 2 points. So all in all, not a very nice picture here. The BCTI, the cleans, were up 7 points at 720. And that's up 30 points since last week's 690 points. The price of oil, despite some hiccups, it's risen again at $60. And it will remain for the foreseeable future unless we see some major geopolitical conflagrations happening. On the geopolitics now, top of the list, Ukraine, the fighting flare-ups. We have seen that. You can read our written report there. I don't need to say any further. Greece, another focal point. Here, one has to be cautious. Greece is trying to be strangulated by the lenders, but on the other hand, it's the Greek government who is playing with their voters. This is not on. And as we say in our written report, the guillotines are waiting. Other big issues which we have to be cautious of, it's of course the Islamic State. We need to finish them off. The migrants issue, now they're finding a better way from the Eastern Mediterranean through Turkey and Greece to Europe. Not bad. The Turkish elections are coming up, a bit dodgy there. In the Far East, again, we had an accident at the Yangtze River, and the Eastern Star capsized, leaving, as per today's latest report, 456 unaccountable for, 14 survived. We sincerely hope that there will be more survivors there. Africa is in the mess. The Cuba-America issue, the U.S.-Cuba issue, it's really touching us. We would like to go to Varadero, so I hope President Obama sorts this out before it's too late. And of course, the energy issue, as you will see, some people didn't like that, and Amos Hochstein complained to Greek foreign minister about the pipelines going through Greece to Europe. He should first see that these pipelines come through Turkey. He should stop them there. So all things being equal, the treatment should be equal, okay? And the Americans should not forget that Greece is their only true strong supporter in the region, okay? Finally, what a scandal with FIFA. The ball now is in your court, guys, as we say. Finally, we'd like to say some nice events. As we speak this very moment, the Bureau Veritas event is unfolding at the Kali Club in Athens. Great event coming up. We'll have more news about this. In China earlier today, because of the difference of time, we had the third event of the Greeks there, thanks to DNVGL. And finally, we are very pleased and honored that one of our up-and-coming young ladies, Danai Bezantakos, received another award for her participation in furthering the shipping business. With this, we invite you to read our full report in the site. We wish you a happy weekend and be on guard with the unfolding developments worldwide. Have a nice weekend. This is John Faraklas from allaboutShipping.co.uk in London. Over now.